There you go, guys. We are at the bird paradise. Let's explore what's there inside. Okay, enjoy. Tata. Yes, so funny.
I am the smartest of all. I saved the birds, and even I was holding that. What's that?
Macau.
Macau. Initially, I started with. So remember, I am the smartest.
And touch the porcupine also. No, not porcupine. Touch that. What do you iguana also?
Iguana.
Yeah.
I touch snake, okay?
She touches snakes. She touches iguana.
I touch snakes.
Wow.
I played what guinea pig.
We're having a lot of fun here. Actually, there are a lot of things. The most important thing here is that you can touch the birds. It's not going to go away from you. It's like absolutely you can get closer to those birds, which you have seen inside the cage. So that's the best part of this bird paradise, is that you can touch them, you can feel them, you can get close to them. That's the best part of it. So it's really nice, and we've seen some birds which I've never seen earlier, and I hope you guys are also enjoying. Let's keep moving. Guys, we are done with bird paradise. It was really nice, and we had a lot of fun. Honestly, it was full of animals, full of birds. Full of animals means there are not wild animals, but mostly nice animals, and I mean, some animals I've never seen earlier. Birds that you said you can get closer, and as it says, so you can really get closer to the birds and you can kind of touch them and all. So it was a heck of an experience for us. Now we are going back to our hotel, and after that we'll explore some of the beaches here. We'll have some kind of leisure time, and then will be done with Langkawi, and tomorrow we'll be going back to Kuala Lumpur and we'll explore the place. All right. I hope you guys are enjoying this. Stay tuned. So guys, हम लोग होटल पहुंच गए. It was a nice experience. Now we will go and explore some beaches. Let's go. We've just arrived to a very famous beach here. Okay, Senang beach, Senang Pantai or Pantai Senang. It's a very nice beach. We've got this Grab. This is our cab. We've taken this from our hotel, and it took about 30 minutes to reach to this place. This looks like a happening one for us. So we'll be exploring some beach activities here, and we'll be spending a lot of time, like some time here, probably 2 to 3 hours, and I can see a lot of beach activities are happening here. So let's go and explore. All right. So पहले हम लोग ने डिसाइड किया कि हम लोगों को थोड़ा खाना खाना चाहिए, बिकॉज हम लोग बहुत भूखे थे, लंच नहीं किए थे, और यहाँ पे बहुत बढ़िया एक कैफ़े मिला हम लोगों को एकदम सी बीच के ऊपर. बहुत ही खूबसूरत नज़ारा था, बहुत ही खूबसूरत व्यू था. तो हम लोग अंदर गए, हम लोग कुछ एग्जॉटिक ड्रिंक्स ऑर्डर किए, ऑब्वियसली नॉन अल्कोहलिक, एंड लुक एट द व्यू गाइस. द व्यू वाज अमेजिंग. आई मीन उस कैफ़े से व्यू देख के तुम्हारा दिन निकल जाएगा ऐसा है. तो उसके बाद हम लोग कुछ खाना ऑर्डर किए, खाना वाना खाए, पेट भर के. बहुत ही टेस्टी खाना था, और सब कुछ टेस्टी लगता है जब आपका आसपास अच्छा हो तो तो ये बहुत ही टेस्टी खाना था. उसके बाद हम लोग डिसाइड किए कि वील गो आउट एंड गो टू द बीच. Look at this guys, such a beautiful beach and serene. It's an amazing one, You can see these chairs, you can, rent these chairs to sit and relax. I'm sitting, as you can see, they are enjoying at the beach. It's a nice beach, nice one, not too crowded. And the best part of it, it's not too crowded, and just we're about to see the sunset here, which is going to be amazing. So we'll take a video of that as well. सनसेट होने के साथ साथ यहाँ का जो नज़रिया है बिल्कुल बदल जाता है. यहाँ पे बहुत हैपनिंग हो जाता है सनसेट होने के बाद. ये देख सकते हो, दिस इज लुकिंग mesmerizing guys, the sunset and with this view.
Soft rap flowing, let the rhythm collide. I'm the king of this groove with the catchy hook. Got the ladies moving and the fellas shook. Understand this somewhere where it's time to glow. Just down the boulevard with the top down low. Music blasting loud, feeling the flow. Neon lights flicker in the night's embrace. Lost in the moment, in this rhythmic chase. Catching glances from strangers as I pass them by. In the city of dreams where stars light up the sky. Every step, every verse takes me close to the high. In the soft rap world where I spread my wings and fly. Waves crash, my wings and fly. Waves crashing on the sand as I ride the vibe. Soft rap flowing, let the rhythm collide. I'm the king of this groove with the catchy hook. Got the ladies moving and the fellas shook. Underneath the blazing sun, where the sky meets the sea, I find my inspiration.
ये फायर शो देखने के बाद भूख बहुत लग गया था, तो भूख लगने के बाद हम लोग एक कैफ़े में गए जहाँ पे लाइव म्यूज़िक हो रहा था। उसके बाद हम लोग जो खाना ऑर्डर किए थे वो था पिज़्ज़ा, लेकिन बहुत ही घटिया था, लेकिन द एम्बियंस वाज सो गुड कि हम लोग को बहुत अच्छा लगा, हम लोग खा लिए।
Crashing on the sand as I ride the vibe. Soft rap flowing, let the rhythm collide. I'm the king.
सो ऐसे ही हम लोग ने दिन को एंड किया और पीयू वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड टू सी बम्बलबी द ट्रांसफॉर्मर. That's her favorite transformer, so she went there and meet Bumblebee and she was very excited.
In the night's embrace, lost in the moment, in this rhythmic chase. Catching.
Hey guys, so we are leaving Langkawi today. We are heading towards the airport. So it was a nice trip. It was a nice stay also. The hotel was really great. I'll share the information with you guys. If you want to book, you can go ahead and book it. Today's weather is a little gloomy, but no worries. We are leaving Langkawi and we'll be reaching Kuala Lumpur, so it's going to be a different vlog altogether for Kuala Lumpur. So I hope you guys enjoyed the Langkawi vlog. See you in Kuala Lumpur. Bye bye.